here we are. Eto na, touchdown na kami sa Quebec. Then now, heading kami sa Old Quebec City. Ganda ng castle sa likod.
Lakad na dito
Huli ako agad ng salmon, pananghalian natin.
Nakalagay nga dito, fishing prohibited.
Prohibited na puti kayo. No? Doon ako sa
Baka
tabi
doon lang. Yeah.
doon kay Kuya. Doon ako sa tabi ni Kuya. Kaya may nagpi-fishing doon, no? Try nating mag-casting.
Puppy!
Yeah, we wanna catch puppy?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to catch puppy, but behave,
Okay.
Pray for puppy to be caught today.
Yay, I could help
Yeah?
you.
You can help me?
Yeah.
I will set up my fishing rod first. You will help me to catch puppy?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see.
How about you, Adara?
Are you Dara? We're gonna catch puppy? Yes. Let's go and catch puppy. Okay, catch puppy.
Matawa si
Wala kami nahuhuli. Ikaw pa sabi
Here, Alina.
Si Alina. Puppy.
Natatawa lang sa hindi.
Uh-oh. No puppy today?
Let's try again.
We'll try again, of course.
I can help you.
Okay. Just wait. Okay, you hold the rod. Okay. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. Oh, you know how to fish. Slowly. Slowly. Don't catch the puppy right away. You just give him a time. Yeah. Just like that. Bigyan mo man. Okay, Alina. Go. See, Alina will become a fisherwoman. Okay, sure. Just give me a moment. We will just catch.
Can I hold it?
Yes.
Wait!
Oh, wait.
I can help you.
We'll just let it sink first.
Saan sila pupunta, Abi?
Eto na tayo, nandito tayo sa Quebec. It's a farm. Yeah, yeah, oh.
Sabi mo kasi sabi niya, sir, ito yung pataas.
Opo ma, dadiretso tayo.
Go, Lena. Go, go, go.
You need to hold back.
Go up, go up.
Ito, Jong.
Alright.
Worries. We will just come with your mommy.
Come, come, come,
Ay,
come.
no, no,
Don't
no,
run.
no, no,
Don't
no,
run,
no.
Dara.
Oh, sige.
Dara, don't run. Someone will catch you. My shop, Ernest shop. The Ernest shop. Dara.
gaat promoten, ik heb dat wel gedaan. Oké? Au mois de septembre, 1759, Wolfe était au désespoir de ne pas pouvoir prendre la ville. Vous voyez pas, après presque 2 mois de siège.
Mobile speed camera zone.
Sabi ni Mita po dyan, mamamatay ako rito. Sabi ni Mita, kung dito tayo pupunta. Steps? Ang tarik.
Ang mga tao dito, no, kahoy lang nilagay.
Oo.
Kapit ka rito, bakal.
Dito na lang. Ito ba ang dapat eh? Ayun ha? Doon kami galing sa taas, doon sa tuktok. Bumaba kami rito. Ayun na. Lalim pa. Hindi, ito may zipline din na. Ayun, rock climbing. Oh. Grabe naman, extreme na yan. Tama lang pala yung pinuntahan natin dito kasi ano siya, mas maganda yung daan natin.
Diyan lalim.
Hindi lang mild. Pagkaya dito, bigla naman na whoops! Gano'ng kataas yung lalaglagan mo yun.
Sarap, traffic. Traffic ba ako?
Yung ano. Wala. So, eto, this is it for today's vlog at Quebec. And see you on our next vlog. Thank you for watching.